We got one song left. What was that? I've got what I've got, brother. I can only do what I can do. But I tell you what I'm gonna do. This next song is a cover song. I'm gonna dedicate this song to the Machine Shop and the Banana, because without these folks here, we wouldn't be where we're at. I want everybody just to fucking give a good clap here for the Machine Shop. All right. I tell you what, without these guys, we would be nothing. We're gonna take you back to the 70s, which most of you were never born. I got to do the tuning song for this one though. We all know the tuning song, don't we? Ding, 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 ding. Once again, we just want to thank every one of you for coming up here and at least giving a clap, a cheer, anything. When we're done here, we'll be out in the crowd playing around, mostly naked. We understand it will be because it's hot. It's going to be a good time, Machine Shop. This is for all of you. There are calls on the street, red, white, and blue. People shuffling their feet, people sleeping in their shoes. Well, there's a warning sign on the road ahead. A lot of people saying, better off dead. Don't feel like saying, but yeah, to them, I try to forget the way I can. Keep on rocking in the free world. Keep on rocking in the free world. Come on, Machine Shop. Keep on rocking in the free world. Keep on rocking in the free world. I see a girl in the night with a baby in her hand, under no street light, near a garbage can. Why she put the kid away? She's gonna get ahead. She hates the life, but while she's down with it, there's one more kid who never go to school. Get to be cool. Keep on rocking in the free world. 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 That's right. There's 1,000 points of light for the homeless man. We got a color jello machine going. Just keep on belong, the field to burn, road to run. Keep on rocking in the free world. Oh, keep on rocking in the free world. Keep on rocking in the free world. Oh, keep on rocking in the free world. Yeah. Once again, thank you, Nishita. We are Xitpoint. We fucking love you.